Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into Excel. 9 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Transcend. Which means surpass a person or achievement. Transcend. For example, he doubts that he will ever transcend Shakespeare. Number 2. Top. Which means exceed an amount, level, or number. Top. For example, losses are expected to top £100 million this year. Number 3. Outshine. Which means be much better than someone in a particular area. Outshine. For example, a single large houseplant can outshine any number of ornaments. Number 4. Overshadow. Which means be more impressive or successful than another person. Overshadow. For example, he was always overshadowed by his brilliant elder brother. Number 5. Shine. Which means be very talented or perform very well. Shine. For example, they shone at university. Number 6. Outdo. Which means be superior to in action or performance. Outdo. For example, rich families tried to outdo each other when banquets were held. Number 7. Eclipse. Which means deprive someone or something of significance or power. Eclipse. For example, the economy has eclipsed the environment as the main issue. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Furthermore, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.